and this is how it looks now. But yeah, that's pretty much the end of the video. I don't remember if I said where I got the actual pieces from, and that was Amazon, and I'm gonna put the link in the description. But thank y'all for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next video.